In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete H&R Block tax return. So you actually have a few options. I'm going to show you all of them. Now, the first one is if you're already in the process of filling out your personal info here inside H&R Block, you could actually just go ahead and start over on the same account, okay? So to do this, there we go. This is loading up. In a few seconds, it's going to load up for me as well. And you'll be able to see that down here at the bottom, there's going to be a button which is going to allow me to actually do this, okay? So as you can see, there we go. It says change products whenever you're in here, and then you can click on change products, and you could go ahead and click on clear and start over, and then you can basically agree to this over here when this loads up. There we go. You have to click on yes, clear my return, and whenever this happens, basically it's going to delete your tax return and you can start over. Now, this will only work, of course, if you've if you are still editing your tax return, okay? So that's the first way you can do it. The second one is you could just start a new account and then keep the old one. So of course, you can start a new account, keep the old one for reference. That's also very possible to do. Or you could just delete your current account and start a new one, okay? So if you want to do that, I'm going to go out here. I'm going to save and exit. I'm going to go to my home page over here. You could also delete your account, create a new one. Even on their support page, they provide this as one of the options. You could go to the account down here, bottom left, click on security settings, then click on delete account over here, and you could just click continue. Your account is going to get deleted after confirmation. You can then start a new one, and you can of course get and delete your tax return that way, and you could go and create a new one after that. So those are all the ways you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.